Hi everyone, it's April with Wildflower Crossing. I'm here in one of our Barton 4 models. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of it. This model itself is our most popular models. Check out that island. This model has updated appliances. We have it decorated so we have 2 living rooms. Here's the additional living room. And we'll span on over here, and here is the other living room. We'll check out the primary bedroom. It's a nice spacious room. And primary bathroom. We have porcelain sinks in our homes, and all of our primary bathrooms have walk-in closets and walk-in showers. What do you think? You want to come check out one of our Barton 4 models? You can reach me at 517-769-4365. And remember, we consider all credit and financing is available. Hope to see you soon. Have a good one.